Good morning from Trot HQ. First client has just turned up with his trusty steed, a Suzuki Bandit S. This is in for one of our full works packages, which will include a good dosing of Ultimaxx ceramic. But as you can see, it doesn't look like it has been cleaned properly in some time. I have got my work cut out for me on this. Like I said, he's going to go with one of our full works packages, which will include lots of painting, lots of polishing. I will probably have to put a bit of paint on these wheels once they're all cleaned up, as the powder coating just gets very thin and worn over the years. Lots of rusty nuts and bolts to sort out before we cover it with XCP. Probably do a bit of painting on that motor as well. Like I said, he is going with a full works package, which will include a 2-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, and then we will treat it with the Ultimaxx ceramic. Just trying to free up the center stand as we speak, as it was all seized up. She's looking a little rough. Getting rid of all this old gunky chain lube. Just looking over, it looks like it could do with some tires. Front tire is down to its limit. That must handle horrible with a tire that's shaped like that. I will advise him on that once it's all cleaned up. So enough of my jibber jabber. I've got 3 hours to see if we can transform this whole girl. Bit of Trot magic. Go 3 hours and 30 minutes on the dot. This Suzuki Bandit has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our full works packages, which included a 2-stage machine polish and then coated with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. Look at the gloss on that paintwork. Everything's had XCP all over the motor. All your center stand, I freed all that up as it was frozen solid. Wheels have been sanded, painted. All that old chain lube's been removed, re-lubed back up. Wheels have come up a treat. Nice bit of satin black on those. Center side stand all been painted. I painted all down the front of the motor. Calipers looking a bit better. All done 3 hours, 30 minutes on the dot. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.